All right, we're gonna move this ladder going into my attic away from this wall because it's a major pain. Moving it 2 feet over to the right, I guess, from where I'm standing. The tricky part is getting that down by myself. And hopefully, if you have to do the same thing, this video will help. I've already pulled away the trim, as you saw just a second ago, and I've started taking out the nails partial. There was one there, there's actually another one, if you can see it. I used one of these. Basically, you take a hammer, kind of gouge up underneath to pull it away from the wood. They're all around. What I haven't done yet is this side. I started this one. These are going to be the tough ones. And then kind of figure out what I'm going to do next. I've nailed up or screwed up this cross beam here for support when I finally pull out the nails so it won't fall to the ground. Figure out what I'm going to do over here. All right, I'm upstairs in my attic and I managed to back those out using this here. Now, I got that one backed out a little bit, can't hardly see it. Now the tough part, getting this thing down without it crashing. Wish me luck. All right, so I've added a second lip, and this one I put right at the edge. So this one has a little bit more play. Now, when I remove the screws here, you can see those spacers. The goal is that I'll be able to slide it to the left here. It'll drop down over here, and then I'll just have to be strong and carry it down. All right, success. The braces on the bottom have held. It's resting on them. All the screws are gone, or nails I should say. So hopefully the next time the video pops up, it'll be on the ground. All right, so I got it down. It's heavier than I anticipated, but not too bad. As you can see, it didn't slide as far as I'd hoped, so therefore I had to swivel that around, so that kind of worked out well. Now we're gonna put it back up. All right, so we're at my new hole. Put my one brace up over here and my shimmy over here that I'm gonna swivel around, and then I'll drill up on the other side. See how it goes. All right, got it finished and hung. It's exciting. I'll just flush it out, screw it in place. All right, we have success. Old hole, new hole. Got it nailed back in there. I put some screws there. Screws here. Nails here. Wedges. And that's how you move an attic stair from one hole to another.